This guy's pretty cool. He's the second Tales from the Cryptkeeper figure that I've opened. These are from, I think, 93. It doesn't say the copyright date on the back. They're made by Ace Novelty Company, which I don't know anything about them. They're pretty fairly common to find. The Cryptkeeper figures are cool. The zombie, you know. I opened the gargoyle on a previous episode. And so what's funny about these, you know, the arrow is pointing not to the figure there. So this is Frankenstein. I mean, technically it's the Frankenstein's monster, because Frankenstein was the doctor. It looks like he's 6'6", 300 pounds. Body parts are held together with bolts. And he searches the night for better parts to his pieced together body. There should be a hyphen there. Only the screams of his victims can be heard in the still of the night. You know, and that's the thing, though. I mean, the Frankenstein's monster was actually, I mean, he was kind. He didn't really mean to hurt people. He couldn't really help it. So I don't think that file card there accurately depicts the Frankenstein's monster. It's definitely a tragic character. But he's been in prison for 24 years now, so we're going to free him from his plastic cell. And these figures, I don't think any of them actually came with any accessories. They're just kind of what they are. But like, he's pretty gruesome looking dude. I don't really see any bolts. You see the stitches. He's sticky. And I've noticed that about a lot of figures that I've opened, is that they'll be sticky. So I don't know, something like, I don't know what happens with the plastic or what. I don't know, it's weird. So with this guy, this is kind of cool thing here. His limbs come apart, including his head. So you can obviously, you know, do silly combinations like this. Oh, that wouldn't be silly. That's exactly where that goes. But you get the picture. I'll put his hands down here. There's arms. So kind of a neat thing, you know. You can break them apart. It'd be kind of cool to get a few of these and make some weird combinations, almost like a Modulock or a multi-bot from Masters of the Universe. So I don't know. I think that looks pretty cool. I think maybe that's how I'm going to display this guy, like that, with his everything all mixed up. I guess you could walk like that, right? You could, you know, kind of trot along. So Frankenstein's monster is what this should be, from Tales from the Crypt, Ace Novelty Company, Inc. in Bellevue, Washington, for 93, I believe. I think that's what the copyright says on his butt or his back. Let's see. Yeah, 93. But yeah, cool line, underrated, not very popular. But obviously, you know, some of these monster guys are pretty cool, especially if you're a monster collector. Some people I see online are, but there he is. And yeah, so if you haven't seen the Frankenstein movie, I would check it out. Bride of Frankenstein is really cool. It's actually one of my favorite movies, and talk about a tragic film. So thanks for watching, and don't get your limbs all mixed up.